In a data strategy, one of the most important things is to base it around business outcomes, base it around your business strategy, and base it around the outcome that you're trying to achieve within your organization. But absolutely fundamental to being successful with data analytics are the core foundations and the core building blocks, which are technology and data governance. Now, those two things form an absolutely fundamental part of being successful. And often, if you focus too much on business outcomes, too much on business value, and don't put a plan in place for governance and technology, then those strategies can also fall by the wayside. So what's really important is that we consider data governance and technology. And within data governance, this is about building trust in the data asset that you have, building trust in the way that you use data and information. And data governance done properly and correctly has the right policies and the right processes in place to build that trust. People to understand the data, people to know where they can go to get the data. They are confident and trust that the quality of data is really strong. They have good access to it. They have good ability to change what needs to be changed, at a master data level, for example. And both from a technology and business perspective, we really care for our data so it is well governed and is well looked after. And the other foundation clearly is technology. And often people start with technology, but I think that it needs to be based around what we're trying to achieve as a business. And technology, we need to consider the end-to-end flow of getting data, modeling it and structuring it in a way that's really good for analytics, and building those models, building those algorithms, building those outputs, and integrating those outputs either through dashboards, through spoken word, or through technology integrations into your downstream systems, so that the data doesn't just sit in a silo in a central place, but is used to really drive the business forward. So having really strong governance around how you look after data, and having some of the best technology in the business, or that's most right and most accurate for what you're trying to achieve, is going to be one of those really important building blocks and foundational elements of a successful data strategy.
Keep up with the disruptors or become the disruptor themselves. So it's really important that in organizations that are more traditional, that are trying to find ways that frames everything else that we do within this strategy. And if there's nothing else that you do,